Yo, what's up guys? My name's Smokey, welcome back to the channel, and I've been reading the comments and people have been saying you cannot fit a full face helmet into the bag. Let's see if they're right or not. So first things first, this is my helmet collection, from motocross enduro helmets to my Scorpion bobber helmet, my traveling helmet, MotoGP look-alike helmet Arai, and a shark. This is my open face Scorpion helmet. Let's try that one first. And the second one we're gonna try is my Arai RX-7 Corsair MotoGP replica. Fits perfectly. Told ya. And as a third helmet, let's try my full face shark helmet. This thing is about 20 years old, and as you can see, I did a lot of crashing through the years. And the biggest one in the bunch, our modular AGC helmet. Clickety click. Works perfectly. I did cheat a little. I removed my Cardo headset. It doesn't fit with a Cardo headset. For the bag on the other side, let's take the biggest helm of the bunch, and how did I do it again? I think like this. There we go. Awesome. And I also got this weird little microphone and GoPro stuff on my Enduro Aero motocross helmet, and I will be doing some first person view moto vlog testing. Look at this stairs. Oh yeah. Whee! Back on the road again. Shift up and another gear up. That's the sixth gear. Sorry. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Hope you enjoy. Make sure you subscribe and see you next time. See ya.